Hey everyone, I'm Michelle, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips to help you make your blowout last longer. To me, beautiful hair starts as soon as you get out of the shower. Luckily, T3 totally understands that, and they've made this Luxe Turban Towel. It's created with microfibers, which start to absorb the moisture from our hair, decreasing the time that we need to spend on blow drying it, creating better results and healthier hair. Before I start blowing out my hair, I wanted to share this detangling duo from the T3 line, which is absolutely amazing. This detangling comb and detangling brush guarantees that you're going to prep the hair. And when we prep the hair perfectly, then we get a better long-lasting blowout. And if you're wondering what makes a detangling brush different from others, I want you to take a look at the bristles. So as I put my hand behind here, you can see that the bristles allow for flow in between them. That is going to ensure that when you go to brush out your hair gets brushed out really effortlessly and you're not pulling or snagging the hair.
I'm using the Curalux hairdryer. Right here you'll find the cool shot button, and on the other side the 5 heat settings with the volume booster button. Next, I'm going to be picking up the T3 paddle brush. This is going to give us great tension and lots of movement and volume. Speaking of volume, don't forget to turn on your volume booster before you start drying. Here you see that I'm rough drying my hair, and now I'm going to start sectioning it off so that I can get maximum lift through the roots. I am starting in the bottom of my hair and picking up that paddle brush, and I want you to notice how I'm lifting the root up towards the ceiling. This is what's going to ensure that you get a really nice polish, but a lot of movement and lift. Lift equals longevity. So keep moving that brush up and towards the sky as you move through your sections. Here's a really good hot tip. As you're moving through your strands, I want you to tap your cool shot button and just give your roots a little cool shot. So make sure it's on cool like I'm doing here, and then just blast your roots. The cooling sets the shape. So as you're moving through, instead of just allowing the hair to cool while it's hot, cool it down as you go. So notice as I get to the top how I'm using the roundness of my head shape to just continue to dry my hair, lifting the roots up and towards the ceiling, same as before, and just creating that nice movement. Keep moving through the top using the same technique, and then use your cool shot button again to make sure that your roots are completely cooled down and set. Brush your hair into the shape you want to wear it, and there you have it. Enjoy your long-lasting blowout with maximum results and minimal effort.
I hope you guys enjoyed this hot tip video on how to make your blow dries last longer. Thank you so much, T3, for having me. This has been so much fun. And if you aren't already, please go follow me on Instagram at Michelle Pritchard Hair. Thanks, guys.